Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Mustang GT. That's the facelift version from 2018 up, and you need to guys remove or replace the shifter assembly. It may help on other years as well, before or after facelift. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. There is a trick to do it, otherwise you will damage things that will cost quite a bit of money, guys. All that will be covered in this video today. Now, if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and supplies from. Number two, if you guys know probably about us, but every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain now, guys. Okay, that thing, you need to pull, okay, your trim piece up. Okay, your trim piece needs to come up. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. So grab it with your hands, plastic prying tools, careful not to damage anything. The plastic clips are right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you can see. Okay, just like that. Now, in order, guys, okay, to disconnect it, what do we need to do? Have the car on level ground, put the emergency brake on, and now let's see if we can actually shift it, okay, without having the key. We need to actually manually release it. So let me see. Okay, let me see if I can do that and show you actually how to do it. Okay, if you don't have the key, where the release lock is on that. So okay, right here. So all I need to do, don't start the car, make sure it's on level ground. Come on. Okay, now let's move it. Can we shift it now? Yep. That white thing, okay, right here, I just moved it out of the way. Okay, that's the lock that prevents the shifter from shifting. Now right here, guys, okay, we have one wire that we need to disconnect. That's for what gear you're in. So let's go ahead, okay, remove that wire first, so we can pull it a little bit to the top. So that's the only thing that we need to do next. Perfect, came out. A little bit of wire, pretty easy. Now here on the front, let me try to come with the camera somehow. Okay, we have one screw, okay, with a Phillips head screwdriver that we need to remove. Alright, so let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, make sure it doesn't fall off. Okay, we grabbed it. Okay, now let's see, okay, what else is holding, okay, the shifter in place now. So actually it's two screws, guys, okay, one on top of the other one. So make sure you remove the top one as well. Okay, yep, right there. Just let's go ahead. Okay, remove this one too. So it looks like it's coming out. We just don't want to drop it because later we might not be able to find it. Perfect, second screw came out. Now that shifter, guys, comes out, you can see, just like that. That's a leather boot right here. If you need to replace the leather boot itself, you disconnect it from right here. You have two clips, you disconnect it from the little thing, okay, and you practically pry those things open. You see you have one clip here, one there, okay, and you come apart and you can replace it if you need to. But that's how you guys disconnect the shifter and remove it if you need to do that on Ford Mustang GT. So that's how you guys remove the shifter if you need to. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.